一下。好。
500 vacuum homogenizer machine, and this is the whole set. This is the manhole and the oil and the water tank. Here, the bottom is homogenizer and the top is mixing. This part is the outlet. For this machine is electronic heating. So there will be a heating box under the tank, under the bottom. And the homogenizer is the water cooling, running water cooling for the cooling down the homogenizer part so that for the protection. And this is the vacuum pump. When you want to add a material inside the tank or press the products out, you can use the vacuum for pressing or for suction. It's okay. And for the oil and water tank. Oil and water tank normally is for the pre-treatment for the main tank, for the preheating and mixing for the products. And here is the sensor for the tank, so that you can check the temperature on the electronic box. Here is the electronic heating box. Here is the outlet, and this is the bottom mixer. For this machine, now here is the products come out of pipes, and here this bottom is for the heating box. Waters come in from here. You can connect with the tap water or the groundwater based on you. For the cooling water is okay. Here, cooling water inside it can be heated from here. And when you want to cooling down the tank, just connect the cooling water from here. Also is okay. And outlet for the injector is here. We will connect a valve from here also. For the waters in the jackets come out. And for the homogenizer, this homogenizer design is the water cooling down the system so that the homogenizer can be used a long time. Because when the homogenizer at a high speed, there will be many holes in the homogenizer head. So we protect the homogenizer working. We connect it with the water. Now, here is the pipe. Here is the water connection. Here is the water in for the vacuum pump and also for the cooling system of the homogenizer. Both in from here, and the come out is from here. Here, this come out should be make sure that when you open the homogenizer, 别这样拍，你别这样拍，你这样拍到时候你剪不好剪。
没有。
你剪好剪吗？
因为它这个屏幕是这样子的，应该可以。我等一下试一下，因为这样看起来是整个的，这样看来正一点。
哦，好吧，行，可以。Here is the water come out for the system. When you open the homogenizer value on the electronic box, you should make sure this has water come outside so that you can change the homogenizer speed to make it working. And here is connected the pipes. The pipe is for the air compressor. Here is connected the pipe for the air compressor. 或者是从这边。Here is connected the pipe for the air compressor. This is the function is when you want to make the products out from the tank with pressing, you should connect the air from here. Okay. And now we are talking about the whole tank for the machine. Here, this is the vacuum gauge. The vacuum gauge. You can check the vacuum pressure in here. And here is the light view for checking inside the tank the mixing or the situation of the products. And here is for the water inside. Now this one is the manhole. Here is the side view, window. And when you want to check inside, just from here is okay. You can check inside. Okay. For this one is the material inlet. The material inlet. The material inlet for the products can be suction with the vacuum pump to make the product in is okay. And here is the influence inside. Influence, that means like a perfume or something else that you want to add it inside the tank in the last proceed. And here is the CIP cleaning system. Inside the tank is the cleaning bar. And here you can connect the extra pipes for cleaning or anything else. This is for extra one. Okay, now. And this one is pre-mixing tanks. Pre-mixing tanks with the bottom mixing here, and also the sensor for the tank to testing the temperature inside the tank also. Now we introduce the electronic box. Here is the voltage to show the voltage of the machine. And here is the electronic current. You can check the electronic current here also. This one is for the oil tank temperature. Here is the temperature of the tank inside now, and this one is the set numbers. When this number meets this number, it will stop and will be started at a range. Here is the water phase, and here is for the humidifier port, the main port, and here is for the mixing. Here is the 3 delay. The delay means the mixing time or the homogenizing time. Here can be set the numbers on this machine. It will be showed here. This is the set number, and it is showing the numbers. Okay, and here is for the speed changing. This is for the speed changing for the main tank of the mixing and homogenizer. When you open this part, just press run and open this is okay for changing the speed. And here is all the buttons of the operation for the whole machines. The green one is for opening, and the red one is for stop. Here is the main power switch. Open this, and the light is showing this machine is already connected with the voltage. Okay, and this one, the panel is for the side view of the main tank, like he is here, over there. When you press it, the light will be on, and you can check the function inside from here with the light view. Now 现在不聚焦啊，你没聚到里面去啊？对 ，OK。 And when the tank is heating, there will be steam with the glasses. So you should with this one for make it cleaning to check inside. Okay. For the oil tank, open it, the lights will be on. So mixing started. And actually here is the oil phase delay. Here is the setting of the machine. This is the 1 minute, and when it arrives 1 minute, the mixing will be stopped. And here is for adjusting the point of the machine. You can check. The point is here now. So adjust is from here. Okay, set the numbers. This is the information you should note it. And here is for the oil heating. Please note that this function can be used when the jack is already connected with the waters inside. If there's no waters, this function should be not, this value should not be opened because the heating box will be damaged without water in. Okay, and now here is the water tank for the mixing. Okay, here is also the mixing and the setting, and the setting is also from here. Points and the second, the times can be set also. Okay. Now for the main tank. For the main tank, here is for the main tank mixing from here. Then open when you open the machine, it didn't working, and here should be adjusted the mixing speed. The speed can be controlled from here. And now the noise is for the motor. It's okay. The speed can be adjusted as from 0 to 63 RPM. And okay. Now the heating. Heating for the tank also can be opened and set it this is the homogenizer. And for the homogenizer, now we open it. 哎，你看一下那边。When we open the machine, it will be opened. And please note that there has waters come out from the tank. The waters should come out from the pipes so that the homogenizer can be opened. Okay? Then we can open the homogenizer. 这里。As the time can be set from here also, so the homogenizer is stopped. If you want to make the homogenizer longer, you can adjust the time from here also. 这个正常情况下工作多长时间 The homogenizer should be stopped after 15 minutes. Every time for 50 minutes should have a rest for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes also. 可以关掉。Manhole for testing the vacuum. Before we test the vacuum, all these parts should be locked so that we can check the volume from the pressure gauge is okay.
关掉。
When we tested the vacuum, all the connect parts should be closed. Closed is on the flat.
Okay.
And here, this for the vacuum pipe connected, the vacuum pipe opened. Should be like this. This is opened. And all the others closed. Then we can open the vacuum pump. Everything confirmed the locked and the value closed. We can open the vacuum gate pump. For the vacuum pump, you can check here. So the tank inside the machine is a vacuum, and when it arrived, the vacuum should be arrived here. It's okay. You can stop it. And when you suction the products, you can open it again when you need it. When the pressure is not enough. And you can suction the products from the tank. Now the vacuum is opened. When we close it, we should close this vacuum pump first. When we close it first and press it in time is okay. 1 second is okay. First, from the tank directly to the machine. 可以过来了，可以过来了。
对着这个镜子。
然后对着这个镜子拍。先拍这个管，先拍这个管。When the pipes will be come inside.
必须给你拍几知道。
你看这里面，看这里面。
这里没看到水啊。
你看呢？
我知道，你看这里面。And when the product inside the tank, the more and more this pressure will be lost, and then we should open the vacuum gauge again for it to meet this standard. Okay. When we suction the product from the oil and water tanks, the mixing should be opened so that the products come inside will be not only in the one part but all around the whole tanks inside. Okay. 看里面的产品，不是看里面的速度。We should notate this, and when you want to open this part, the vacuum pump should be at 0, the vacuum pump, so that the manhole can be opened. And here, 那个真空的是这里是吧？ We can open it. 你拍那边，拍那边。After the vacuum gauge at 0, then the manhole can be opened. Okay. 可以。